Andre,
Quincy,
I could ask you some things about Box Cart.
you could ask me anything about Box Cart.
All right, hear this. Working on teams is create a little challenge with decision making and things. How do you advise people work on them teams effectively?
The advice I would give to teams working is you go through the process of pros and cons, weighing the options, and coming together in discussions with regard to the best way forward for the objective at hand. So let me break it down. In the rubric, we have a section for that asks that you do show your pros and cons and your options as to why. So it's a rationale as to why you choose something. Let's say we do no reference again to bread making. Some people may be allergic to gluten. So your decision, pros and cons are you go to a gluten replacement as a binder, right? In the Box Cart build, it can be similar in that, okay, we would love to be able to get some racing hubs out of the US, but the cost is prohibitive and we may not have the time. Because all up to this time, leading up to the build, we are getting all the theory, all the portfolio building all the materials. And now you have a hard, intense week of construction and testing. That can be one way. Or you stretch out the entire process where you build a frame in the first 2 weeks, you clean it up, you do your tests, then you come with the next step and stuff like that. All of these decisions are made inherently by pros and cons. What is available, what we can do, what is the best for the objectives. And that again, I say, is also graded. Go through the rubric, you'll see where we asked for that. And again, it is important so that we understand your thought process. Why did they do this? Why they didn't do this else? It's because, well, we ran out of time. Or better yet, one of the guys on the team were unable to deliver for whatever reason, personal reason, whatever. You have reasons, and you mentioned team member fell short on resources, whatever. But these are the things we're looking for in the build. Or documenting, the build process that will be graded.
Now, what about things like voting?
So, voting again is a choice to be made by the team. If it is they do votes or you elect a leader that takes input from the team and they make a decision. Those are the two main methods of making a decision on the team. Whichever you employ is up to you, again, based on what you have within the team as a human resource. That determines which process. It would be good and advised that you document that in your written portfolio.
So basically you're saying you're getting points for showing your teamwork?
You're getting points for showing any kind of work. Teamwork, calculations, decision-making matrix or process. Again, you'll be rewarded for the work that you put in when we see the craftsmanship, the finish, creativity. Again, thought process. We had one of the carts playing the sound of a revving engine. In their cart while they come down the track and running. And that is the kind of ingenuity, creativity, and fun we want to see. But again, coming back to the process, yes, we will be grading that, and that is what we want to see in the written portfolio.
Well, all right.
All right.